Every time someone takes a puff of nicotine, something shocking happens inside their brain in less than 10 seconds. It hijacks the brain's reward system, releases powerful chemicals, and can rewire the brain faster than most people realize. When nicotine enters the body, it travels through the bloodstream and reaches the brain extremely fast. Once it arrives, it activates special receptors that trigger the release of dopamine, the brain's feel-good chemical. This dopamine rush creates a short feeling of pleasure, focus, and calm. But here's the twist. The brain quickly learns to associate nicotine with reward. The more nicotine someone uses, the more the brain adapts. It starts creating more nicotine receptors, meaning the brain actually begins to depend on nicotine just to feel normal. When nicotine levels drop, the brain reacts. People can feel irritated, anxious, restless, and unfocused. That's withdrawal, and it's the brain demanding nicotine again. Over time, nicotine can change how the brain controls attention, mood, and impulse control. This is especially dangerous for teenagers because their brains are still developing. So the next time someone uses nicotine, remember this. In just seconds, it can trigger powerful chemical reactions that slowly train the brain to want more.